Information technology and cybersecurity are great careers to get into. The industry has grown exponentially. It's an exciting frontier to be in, and will continue to be an exciting frontier for many, many years to come.
Information technology and cybersecurity are amazing careers, mostly because it's such a fast-paced and relevant industry, especially by today's modern standards. Information technology networks and human networks are becoming an increasingly large component of everyday life. With the investments by the federal government and state governments of Australia into ICT infrastructure and networking, this is now more than ever an opportunistic moment to get into the industry.
The government is now starting to continuously invest over $1 billion in funding specific to cybersecurity and sovereign security. The need for ongoing connectivity and security is a growth area that is not going to go away.
Our courses are suitable for all students, regardless of their background or experiences. They're designed so that anyone, maybe you're new to the IT, or maybe you're an existing IT pro who just wants to upskill, or even if you want a career change, you can come in here and you can learn a brand new bunch of skill sets, technical skills, just so that by the end of the course, you are job ready for the industry.
So we ensure that our students are job ready through the way we deliver and design our assessment and curriculum. That is done in conjunction with our industry representatives who represent the industry that you as a student are going to apply for and work in it once you've completed your course. As a student at Federation TAFE, you will be exposed not only to current industry hardware and software in our fully complemented labs. We have experienced instructors, both with their vocational and industry certifications, that will take you hands-on through the course. Part of what we do too when we can is we actually have members of industry come in and perform industry days where they will work with you as a student, talk with you as a student, just to help you grow your exposure to the industry you're preparing to enter.
Our curriculum has been designed so our students can come into the course regardless of your skill level, and you can get real life experience with all manner of equipment such as firewalls, routers, switches, all from industry related product vendors.
We show students how to set up a network, how to program a firewall, and then allow the student to utilise that as well. We do use a mixture of virtualised software through our academy affiliations with Cisco Networking Academy, the FortiGate Network Security Academy, and our Amazon Web Services Academy. We've also got the hardware portfolio in the room. So not only are the students learning through a virtual environment, they're also actually able to pick up a Palo Alto or a FortiGate firewall and use it and build an enterprise grade network ready for implementation in the real world.
We want this so our students, when they go into industry, that they have a wealth of experience that involves troubleshooting and solution finding, so if they encounter a problem, they are ready.
So one of the biggest bonuses with studying at TAFE is the smaller class sizes. So we have a maximum class size of 20 per teacher, which means that the student actually gets the dedicated teacher time that they need.
You're not just a number base in the crowd. Our staff are committed to maintaining the best outcome for you. We do this through fostering a personal growth experience to make sure that you have a positive but also a very rewarding experience. We challenge you so that we know that you get the best outcome. In addition to the support that we provide in the classroom, we also have a number of support services that are available outside of that to just give you that little bit of assistance should you require it.
Information technology is a skills-based industry. We don't explicitly focus on research portfolios, we focus on the skills for the trade. We provide everything to you. We don't expect you to bring anything other than pen, paper, maybe a laptop, and a thirst to learn.